Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 7 plus 4 times u equals 70 minus 3 times u. Solving means isolating u on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has negative 3 times u. To collect the u terms on one side, add 3 times u to both sides. That gives 7 times u, plus 7 equals 70. The plus 7 keeps 7 times u from standing alone. Subtract 7 from both sides to remove it. That gives 7 times u equals 63. Seven is multiplying u. To leave u alone, divide both sides by 7. Quick check, substitute 9 for u. Both sides equal 43, so the equation balances. So, u equals 9.